In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create checklist ClickUp automation. By the end, you'll have a reusable checklist ready to go, so you can spin up consistent task lists in seconds without rebuilding them each time. First, open your ClickUp account and head to the exact space where you want this checklist available. Make sure you're looking at the correct space because the template you add will live in the location you choose. Next, find the three dots, the options menu, on that specific space. Click it to open the space menu. This is your control panel for space level settings and resources, and it's where ClickUp keeps the template tools you'll need. From that menu, click Templates. This opens the template library for your space. Here you can pull in ready-made content and save tons of setup time. In the library, enter the word checklist into the search field. This quickly narrows the results to checklist-related templates. If your list looks empty, double-check your spelling and make sure you're viewing space templates and not filtering too tightly. When you see a checklist template that matches your needs, select it and click on it to open the preview. Take a quick look at the structure, the item names, and any notes. The preview helps you confirm you're choosing something close to what you want, which reduces editing later. Now click Use Template. This starts the add process. You'll be prompted to provide a name, so enter a clear, descriptive name you and your team will recognize at a glance. A good name makes it easier to find and reuse the checklist without confusion. After naming, click Use Template again to confirm, then wait patiently while ClickUp adds it to your space. Depending on the size of the template and your connection, this might take a moment. It's best not to navigate away while it's processing. Once it's added, feel free to customize the template so it fits your workflow perfectly. Open the new checklist and adjust the wording of each item. Reorder steps to match the way your team works. Remove anything you don't need, and add any missing items. Keep each line actionable and specific so tasks are easy to check off. You can also standardize phrasing to improve clarity across the team. That's it. You opened your ClickUp account, went to the correct space, used the three-dot menu to access templates, searched for checklist, selected a template, clicked Use Template, gave it a name, confirmed, waited for it to be added, and then customized it to suit your process. Now you've got an efficient, repeatable checklist ready to go.